Straighten your wire out. Bring your ends together. And we're making 2 sets of leaves, so we're going to cut this wire directly in half. Set one piece aside. And each one of your leaves has 9 beads on it. And if this is too pointed for you or sticking you can cut the end off to make it easier to load. So sometimes I nip the ends off, just so it's easier for me to load. So you start by loading 3 of your bicones on. You center them, bring your wires together, and center your bicones. Pinching it together, you start twisting. To get a nice tight twist, use your round nose or your bent nose. Grab here and just twist it around. Moving your round nose or your bent nose down as we go. That is your first leaf. Now we're going to separate our wires. On one of your wires, left or right, you're going to add 3 more beads. Now here we're going to move up about 1/4 of an inch. Going to bend our wire back towards what we've already created, and we're going to start twisting. Making sure that it's nice and tight. On our opposite wire, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add 3 more. Bring it up to about 1/4 of an inch. Bend our wire back, pinch it, and start twisting. Making sure that we're getting it nice and tight. Now we have 3 sections. Now we are going to twist these wires together. Nice and tight, moving our round nose down as we go. bit farther. You can twist it out to the end and then nip everything off at the end if you'd like to. And that is our set of leaves. Now you are going to repeat for your second set of leaves.